Somerset County Recreation Parks and Tourism, as we are out on the road on this chilly Friday, but we are warming up for the holiday season, and we are here in the greenhouse at Butler's Farm Market in Marion Station because they have a big event happening tomorrow, Saturday, their annual Christmas open house with tons of great deals, lots of shopping opportunities, and a whole lot more. My guy Michael Butler is here with us, and he is going to give us all the information that we need. So, Michael, the open house starts tomorrow at 10 a.m.,
Yep,
correct?
it starts at 10 a.m. We'll have Santa here. He rolls up on the car right about maybe 9:50 or so. Kids really get excited seeing him come in on the trolley. He comes in, sits down here. He'll be here until about 2 o'clock. On top of that, we'll have the trolley rides out here for the kids that, after they see Santa, they can go ride around on that for a little while. So, all kinds of fun. So.
Also, I love the Christmas village that you got set up here.
Yeah, this is Tina's private collection here. She just had to show it off. We don't have enough room in the house. She's getting so much. So now we're taking up space in the greenhouse for her. So.
And tons of shopping opportunities. You need some Christmas trees. You need some fresh wreaths. Got you covered, right?
Yep, we got poinsettias on top of that. All of our house plants are actually half off right now. So between the poinsettias, Christmas trees, wreaths, and house plants, we can find plenty of live gifts for you to take home.
Absolutely, and we've got some great decorations inside of the building. Of course, produce, ugly pies, steaks, just a plethora of good things here at Butler's Farm Market. Christmas open house starts at 10. Make sure to bring the kids. You said the trolley's running too tomorrow.
Yeah,
right?
The trolley is running tomorrow, so we'll have those free rides out here. So if they want to come out and just ride around, and they get to see a little bit of the farm and other things going on around here. Plus, they just get to be on the tractors. The kids love that kind of stuff. So
absolutely. So do some local shopping tomorrow. Butler's Farm Market, their annual Christmas open house, and they were on camera earlier. Of course, Izzy and Mowgli will be here too, right?
Oh yes, they will. They're hiding around right now. They're just walking around the back of the greenhouse, but they will always be around.
So come on out, Mowgli. Come here.
Come here, Mo.
Come here, Mowgli. We need you on camera. There he is. You know, you would think he's a reindeer, but no, it's Mowgli. Make sure to stop on by, check him out. Butler's Farm Market, Marion Station. They are on Facebook. Real easy to find right off of 413. It's the Christmas open house tomorrow starting at 10 with Santa, train rides, and great local shopping opportunities for everyone. The place to be, Butler's Farm Market. The information on our website. Get it at visitsomerset.com. Merry Christmas. See you tomorrow at Butler's Farm Market in Marion in Somerset County.